Hi, this is Amy from Blastercan. This is our steel plate short blasting machine. This short blasting machine with roller conveyor system are mainly for blaster cleaning the steel plate, HV, profiles, etc. This short blasting machine with 8 pieces high performance Orica blasting turbines. The blasting chamber entrance size is 3.2 meters by 100 millimeters. This is a multi-purpose short blasting unit. You can see this is the cleaning chamber. The cleaning chamber with brush and high pressure blower system. It's mainly for cleaning the blasting media and the contaminants on the steel plate surfaces after the steel plate passes through the short blasting chamber. Contact Amy to